Welcome to another video from your Smart Brain channel. And here we have a new exercise. Look, 3 factorial divided by 2 is alternative A, 1, B 1.5, C 2, or letter D, 3. What's your answer? I want to know what your answer is, and for that, you're going to pause the video, try to do it very quickly, and write your answer in the comments. Okay, let's solve this exercise. Pay attention, it's very interesting. Very well, pay attention. Here I have 3 factorials. What is a 3 factorial? Look, a 3 factorial is equal to 3 times 2 times 1. When I have a factorial, I multiply by the previous number, always, until I get to 1. For example, a factorial of 5 is 5 asterisk 4 by 3 by 2 asterisk 1. Okay, so a factorial of 3 is 3 asterisk 2 by 1, which is equal to 6. Why? Because 3 times 2 is 6, and 6 by 1, 6. A factorial of 3 is equal to 6. Knowing that, everything becomes much easier. Why do I have here a factorial of 3 divided by 2? It will be 6 divided by 2, which is equal to 3. You're going to think, this is very easy. It's true. Math is very easy. But you have to be attentive. You have to have a vision. Overview of things, and think outside the box. Always, answer letter D. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel. What will be the next number in that sequence? Look, 2, 3, 10, 13, 20. What is the next number? Alternative A, 6, B, 18, C, 200, or letter D, 500. What will be the answer? A, B, C, or D? Pause the video, try it, and write your answer in the comments. This exercise is very difficult for many people who have a rather specific vision, a rather determined vision, on top of a point, over a point. They do not have a panoramic vision of things. Observe, the classic thing is that the person find a constant reason here, but he's not going to find it because look, from 2 to 3, it is 1, from 3 to 10, it is 7, from 10 to 13, it is 3, and from 13 to 10, it is 7. So apparently there is no logic, but when we talk about sequence, we're talking not only about mathematical logic, but about pure logic. You have to think outside the box, and you have to find some logic to that. And many times logic escapes the domain of mathematics and becomes deductive logic. Observe. What do these numbers have in common? But you will tell me, look, they have nothing in common. They do have something in common. Look, 2, 3, 10, 13, and 20 are numbers that begin with what letter? They begin with the letter T. So the next number must also begin with the letter T. Let's go to the alternative. 6 begins with S, no. 18 neither. 200, yes, begins with T. 500, no. Then, analyzing the alternatives, we see that the answer can only be the letter C, because look, it is 200, and 200 begins with T. It cannot be the letter A, which is 6, 18, or 500. Answer, letter C. If you like the video, leave me your like, and if you haven't done so yet, subscribe to the channel. Look at the following exercise. Half of 3 plus 7 is alternatively 5, 8.5, 10, or 6.5. What will the answer be? A, B, C, or D? Pause the video and try it, and write your answer in the comments. After the video, I'll see how many students got it right. Okay, let's get to the solution, since this exercise is very interesting because it has a lot to do with punctuation marks. How about the punctuation marks? Look, half of 3 is a comma, and this comma makes the difference. Look, half of 3 is a comma plus 7, and the comma means a pause. Half of 3 is what it's saying here. What will half of 3 plus 7 be? Well, 3 halves. Making an effort. You know perfectly well that it's 1.5 plus 7. Let's do this basic calculation, this elementary calculation, and the answer will be 8.5. Answer letter B. Tell me if you got it right or not. Thank you very much for watching this video. I invite you to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others.